Sun's out right there. We're gonna keep on keeping on. Okay guys, so this is like day 4 after the last video about this place. I was sick for a couple days, so we didn't do anything, but as you can see today, we've just been rocking away. We moved everything that the owner wanted over to this corner. So it's all over here. And kind of getting rid of all the scrap and the garbage and the junk. We're gonna have lots of room in here, guys. Lots of room for this kind of stuff. Mowers and tractors and pressure washers. Back over here, I cleaned out this area. Maybe we'll throw some shelves up, and we could put like machines that are ready to sell, trimmers and blowers and things. We got tons of room in here. Unfortunately, we can't fit a car in here. It would be really nice if we could get a car in and out, but I think the largest thing is going to be a lawn tractor. And even with that, we probably have to take the deck off some of them because this is in the way. Unless we take a jackhammer, chisel that out, then we might be able to drive lawn tractors in and out. But anyway, it's coming along. We're going to finish tidying up all this garbage and start framing in our wall. Out here we got our scrap metal pile starting up, and then our bin I showed you in the last video, guys. It's getting full. We haven't thrown any of the stuff out that was back here. I haven't touched any of this yet. She's about half full. So sun's out right there. We're gonna keep on keeping on.